Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over Heartland's pricing feature. I use pricing anytime I have like a daily special or happy hour. You could use it for one of those. So for today, we're going to do an example for special. Like, let's say we have a special for Taco Tuesday, and it's 50 cents each for each taco, and it lasts all day long. How do we set that up? Because we already got taco in here as an item. We just want to edit the price. So right now, taco, let's just go to taco and look. Go to items, and we'll go to taco. So taco right now we have priced at $1. Let's say we want that to be 50 cents, but we don't want to have to go in here and change the price to 50 cents every Tuesday morning, and then every Wednesday morning remember to go put it back to $1. That won't work that way. So we're going to go to the menu at the top left. By the way, if you're not already on the admin portal, it's hrpos.heartland.us. And then go to your menu at the top left, and then go to account menu. And then here, almost towards the bottom, is pricing. So we're going to create a rule for this. So create rule, and we're going to give it a name. Let's just call it Taco Tuesday. You can abbreviate it with a short identifier if you want to. Now, you also have the option to apply post tax, have it room specific, and I'm going to go to start date because we want a starting date. I'm going to pick today, but I'm not going to pick an end date. You're only going to pick an end date if the special is like a one-time thing. It's just going to be this one day, and you want it to end. Or maybe it's just going to be a month-long special or happy hour. So then you would put an end date. Otherwise, I'm going to leave that blank. So it's not going to end until I go in here and stop it myself. Now we have to create a schedule. By the way, anytime you see these question marks, that means you can hover your mouse or stylus over it, and it will tell you what that field means. So here we're going to select days of the week. So I'm going to choose Tuesday because we want this to work on Tuesday. Now if it's an everyday thing or whatever, you got to add all the days. And then we give it a time frame. I want it to last all day, so I'm going to leave it defaulted there. But your special may be, say if it's like a happy hour or something, it may be from like 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So then you would put the 2 p.m. here and the 5 p.m. here. That way, if it's during those time frames, it'll automatically switch pricing on you. Now the next field is for pricing, and this is where we go to add the item. Now you can do different groups here. You can do tags. You can tag everything and choose which tag you want. Maybe it's beverages. This is an easy way to do it if you're doing the happy hour, because then you can have your beer category here, but maybe you don't want all the beers, so you just want to tag certain ones and do it that way. Or if you want to do the whole group or the whole section, then you can do section and then choose the section of beers from here. Now for this, there's also group. You do a whole group if you want to do a whole group. Say all the menu all day long is this much off or whatever. For this one though, I'm going to do an item. So I'm going to choose an item, and then right below it here, it shows to select the item. So I'm going to choose the taco down here. Now you can select the rule, and the rule is you can either force a different price or you can dollar adjust. So this would be like, I could do this 3 ways here. So tacos are $1 and I want them to be 50 cents. So I could do a force price of 50 cents, or I could do force dollar adjust of the same price, which would also be 50 cents, or I can do a percent adjust and do a 50% off. In this case, I'm just going to do a force price of 50 cents. I'm not going to have it affect the modifiers. That is an option there. And then of course, if you're doing anything that's sized, you can choose sizes here. And then do I want this item to be available online? Maybe for this one I do. Happy hours I wouldn't, but for this I would. And then do I want it to be available on kiosks and skip the line? So now I'm going to hit save. And as long as you get your save successful here, and then don't forget to publish changes. That's all there is to it. Now every Tuesday, all day long, when someone rings up tacos, it will automatically have them at 50 cents each. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.